Hello again. We are going to have the third session to learn working with MS Word. We want to change the size of the font, change the font type, or change the color of the text and the background color. To start, open the Word software and type a text. First, we select a word, a sentence, or the entire paragraph. The font title that is visible in the tool above is the font of the selected part. We open the arrow and change the font, or double-click on this number and after being selected, type the desired size number. Or click on the A with the pointing up arrow. The selected text will be enlarged. Each time we click it, the text will be bigger. If we click on the A with downward arrow, the size of the selected part will become smaller and smaller. As you see, the minimum size is 8 and the maximum is 72, but we can also set the minimum to 1 by typing and also increase the maximum value, for example 200. We see that it gets bigger. Another point is that we want to change the type of font. As you see, if we select the desired text, we can browse among a list of all the fonts installed on our system. I have taught how to install fonts, which I will leave its link as a reminder so that you can add your required fonts to the system. And now we want to change the font color. Select The part we want to change its color and open the arrow from the font color section to access a list of colors that are available, and then we change the color. There is another tool called Text Highlight Color that changes the background color. If we select a word or sentence or the entire paragraph or text and then click the arrow, it shows us the available colors, and by selecting each one, the background color changes. In fact, we set a highlight for the text. Now let's practice. We select a part of the text and change the font size and font type. And then we make the font color white, and now we make the background color blue. As you see, it makes our text beautiful. I hope you like this video and subscribe me to support my efforts. Bye bye.